Hello everyone, welcome to Kemto Crochets, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to crochet this super easy and fast headband under 60 minutes. Let's get into the tutorial. For the materials, I'll be using a medium weight yarn, Winter King, a Kenyan brand, in the shade of mint blue. A 4mm hook, a pair of scissors, and a darning needle. To start, make a slip knot. You can make in any way you prefer. Then insert your hook into the knot and fasten the knot. We make 87 chains, your head circumference. So to chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 4, yarn over, pull through 5. Continue chaining. So continue chaining a number of chains that fit your head circumference. Make it loose, not tight. So continue chaining the number of chains that will fit your head circumference. For me, I chained 87. And once you have your number of chains, I meet you back in. Now I got my 87 chains. So I normally work on the back side of the chain, this side. So we go into the second chain with a half double crochet. To do half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all. To half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all. To half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all. I'll be linking the basic crochet stitches down on the description box. So go check out and learn how to make these basic crochet stitches. So continue half double crocheting into each stitch. Continue placing half double crochet into each stitch. I meet you back in. So I'm at the end of the row. We place our last half double crochet into our last stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, though it's tight, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all. So we are done with row 1, and this is how it looks like. For row 2, chain 1 and turn. In this row, we will be working into the back loop. This is the back loop, this one. So let's do half double crochet into our back loop. To do that, yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all. Yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop. The loop that is facing away from you, that's the back loop. So continue placing another half double crochet into the back loop. And another one. So continue placing half double crochet into the back loop of each stitch until the end of the row. I meet you back in. I'm at the end of the row. I place my last half double crochet into the back loop of our last stitch. row 3, chain 1 and turn. Place a half double crochet into the back loop of the stitch, yarn over, pull through all. So we repeat row 2 in row 3, placing half double crochet back loop into each stitch. Until the end of the row. I meet you back in. So we are done with row 3, and this is how it looks like. So continue repeating row 3 until you have 10 rows. I will meet you back in. So I'm at the end of the 10th row. I place my last half double crochet back loop, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all. Then chain 1 and cut off the yarn, leaving a long tail to weave in your end and make the twist. Pull the yarn and fasten it. So this is how it looks like. This is how our 10 rows looks like. Step 2, we are creating the twisted part. This part. So we fold this part into 2 equal parts like this, and take the other side. Just insert it into the part that you have folded like this. Just observe, hold it tight. After that, the remaining one, fold it into the other side like what I'm doing. After that, make sure the parts are in equal position. Take the darning needle and join the parts. Make sure you don't leave any part out. Go into every part and weave in. Continue doing the same. Just observe what I'm doing. Make sure the parts are in equal position so that you won't miss any of the layers. Make sure each and every layer is secured. We are not necessarily going into each row, but make sure that each layer is secured so that we won't have some hanging layer out. So once you're done, we will weave in to fasten the tail. This is how I do it. Then after that, cut off the yarn and the rest of the tail. So after that, turn the headband and this is how it turns out to look like. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, comment, like and share.